ingredients. For the cake: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1/2 cup milk, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup hot water for the cream frosting, 2 cups heavy whipping cream, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract for the chocolate ganache, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. Directions: preheat your oven to 358 degrees F, 188 degrees C. Grease 2 8-inch, 20 centimeters, cake pans and line the bottom with parchment paper. In a mixing bowl, beat the eggs and sugar together until light and fluffy. Add in the oil, milk, and vanilla extract and whisk until well combined. In a separate bowl, mix together the flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and whisk until just combined. In another small bowl, mix the cocoa powder and hot water until smooth. Divide the cake batter into 2 equal parts. Add the cocoa mixture to 1 part and mix until well combined. Pour the vanilla cake batter into one of the prepared pans and the chocolate cake batter into the other pan. Bake the cakes for 20–25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool in the pan for 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. To make the cream frosting, beat the heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract together until stiff peaks form. To make the chocolate ganache, heat the heavy cream in a small saucepan until it begins to simmer. Remove from heat and add the chocolate chips. Stir until the chocolate is melted and smooth. Once the cakes are cooled, spread a layer of cream frosting on top of the vanilla cake layer. Place the chocolate cake layer on top of the frosting, and then spread another layer of frosting on top of the chocolate cake. Pour the chocolate ganache over the top of the cake and let it drip down the sides. Use a spatula to spread the ganache evenly on the top of the cake. Refrigerate the cake for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious vanilla and chocolate cream cake.